Welcome to Real Life English. Today, Emma and Leo are staying at a hotel. They will check in, find their room, ask about hotel services, call the front desk, get help with a room problem, have breakfast, and check out. You will hear simple English for real hotel situations. Let's see what happens.
Leo, I think this is the hotel.
Let me check the address on my phone.
Does it match the booking email?
Yes, this is the right place. The entrance is just ahead.
Good. The building looks nice.
It looks bigger than I expected.
That is not a bad thing.
True, but big hotels can be confusing.
We just need to find the front desk first.
The front desk is where we check in, right?
Right. We tell them we arrived and they give us the room key.
Or a key card.
Yes, most hotels use key cards now.
Do you have the reservation information?
I have the email on my phone.
What name is the reservation under?
It should be under your name. You booked the room.
I remember. I booked it last week.
Then you can talk to the front desk.
I had a feeling you would say that.
You are getting good at these real-life conversations.
I hope so. What should I be ready for?
They may ask for your ID and a credit card.
Even if we already paid online?
Sometimes, yes. Hotels often need a card for extra charges.
Extra charges means extra money we may need to pay?
Yes. For example, room service, minibar items, or damage.
I will stay away from the minibar.
That is probably smart.
What should I say first?
Just tell them we have a reservation.
And if they ask for the name, I'll say it's under Leo.
Exactly. Keep it simple and polite.
I can do that.
Also, listen for the room number, the floor, breakfast time, and checkout time.
Room number, floor, breakfast, and checkout. That is a lot, but I'll try.
I'll be standing right next to you.
That helps.
Ready?
Yes, let's go inside and check in.
Hi, we have a reservation.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel. What name is the reservation under?
It's under Leo.
Thank you. Let me check that for you.
Of course.
I found it. 1 room for 2 nights, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. We are staying for 2 nights.
May I see your ID, please?
Yes. Here is my ID.
Thank you. May I also have a credit card for incidentals?
Yes. Here is my card.
Could you explain incidentals? Of course. Incidentals are extra charges, like room service or minibar items.
I see. So the card is not for the room payment right now?
That's right. Your room is already paid online. The card is only for possible extra charges.
That makes sense.
Your room is ready. You are in room 318.
Room 318. Is that on the 3rd floor?
Yes, it is on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Where are the elevators?
The elevators are on your left. They are past the lobby seating area.
So we go left and walk past the seating area.
Exactly.
That is helpful.
Here are your 2 key cards.
Thank you. Do we need the key card for the elevator?
Yes. Please tap your key card before choosing your floor.
Good to know.
Breakfast is included with your room.
Nice. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
And where is breakfast served?
It is served on the 2nd floor.
2nd floor from 7 to 10. I'll remember that.
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
If we need to leave later, can we ask for a late checkout?
Yes, you can ask in the morning. It depends on room availability.
Room availability means if a room is free, right?
Yes, exactly.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free. The password is printed on your keycard holder.
Thank you. Do you offer help with bags?
Yes, we do. Would you like someone to help you?
No, thank you. We can carry them ourselves.
No problem. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
That went well.
I understood most of it, and I asked a few questions too.
You sounded clear and polite.
The word incidentals was new for me.
Now you know it means extra charges.
Yes, room service, minibar items, or damage.
Exactly.
Room 318, 3rd floor. The elevators are on the left.
And breakfast is on the 2nd floor.
From 7 to 10.
Good memory.
I was trying to listen like a hotel expert.
A hotel expert who still needs my help.
A beginner hotel expert.
That sounds more accurate.
Here are the elevators.
Remember, we need to tap the key card first.
Right. I'll tap it here.
Now choose the 3rd floor.
Done. That is useful to know.
Some hotels need a key card for the elevator because of safety.
That makes sense. Only guests can go to the room floors.
Exactly. Do you like staying in hotels?
I do if the room is quiet and clean. Same. A quiet room is important.
I also like a good shower.
And strong Wi-Fi.
Of course. Strong Wi-Fi is almost a basic need now.
3rd floor. Let's find 318.
The room numbers are this way.
314, 316, 318. Here it is.
Try the key card.
Do I tap it or slide it?
It looks like you tap it near the lock.
Green light. It worked.
Open the door.
Welcome to room 318.
It looks clean.
That is always the first good sign.
The bed looks comfortable.
The room is bigger than I expected.
There is a desk, a TV, and a small fridge.
A small fridge is useful, but I am still staying away from the minibar.
Good idea. Minibar items are usually expensive.
Let's check the bathroom.
The bathroom looks clean too.
There are 2 towels.
Only 2 towels for 2 people can be a little inconvenient.
We can ask for more later.
Let's check the Wi-Fi first.
The password should be on the keycard holder.
I found it.
Can you connect?
Let me try. Yes, it works.
That is a relief.
Now let's check the air conditioner.
There is a control on the wall.
Try pressing the power button.
I pressed it, but I don't feel any air.
Maybe it takes a minute.
Let's wait for a moment.
Do you hear anything?
No, it still seems off.
Maybe the air conditioner is not working.
That is not great, especially if the room gets warm.
We should call the front desk now.
What should I tell them?
Tell them the air conditioner is not working and ask if someone can check it.
I can also ask for 2 more towels.
Yes, that is a natural thing to ask for.
I'll call before we unpack everything.
Good plan.
Hello. This is room 318.
Hello. How can I help you?
The air conditioner in our room is not working.
I'm sorry about that. What happens when you turn it on?
We pressed the power button, but nothing happened. We don't feel any air.
Thank you for explaining. I can send maintenance to your room.
Maintenance means someone who fixes things in the hotel, right?
Yes, that's right.
That would be helpful. How long will it take?
Someone can come in about 10 minutes.
That works for us.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes. Could we have 2 more towels, please?
Of course. I'll ask maintenance to bring them.
Thank you. Should we stay in the room and wait?
Yes, please. Someone will knock on your door.
Okay, we'll wait in the room.
Again, we're sorry for the trouble.
That's okay. Thank you for helping us.
You're welcome. Someone will be there soon.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
They will send maintenance in about 10 minutes.
That helps. Did they understand the problem?
Yes. I explained that we pressed the power button, but nothing happened.
That was clear.
They will also bring 2 more towels.
Nice. We solved 2 problems with 1 call.
I like efficient phone calls.
Me too.
Maintenance is a useful hotel word.
Yes. If something is broken, you can ask for maintenance.
I was a little nervous before calling.
You sounded calm.
Maybe because I had a real problem to explain.
That often makes speaking easier.
True. I knew what I needed.
While we wait, should we unpack a little?
Just a little. I don't want to spread everything out yet.
I'll hang my jacket in the closet.
I'll put my bag near the desk.
Don't block the door.
Right. That would be a bad hotel habit.
Someone is knocking.
That must be maintenance.
You can answer the door.
I'm on it. Hello.
Hi. I'm here to check the air conditioner.
Thank you for coming. Please come in.
Thank you. Where is the wall control?
It is over here by the desk.
Let me take a look.
We pressed the power button, but the air conditioner didn't turn on.
I see. Sometimes there is a main power switch near the window.
A main power switch?
Yes. It controls power for the air conditioner in this room.
I didn't know there was another switch.
No worries. Many guests miss it.
That makes me feel better.
I'll turn it on now. Could you try the wall control again?
Yes. Now I can hear it.
Good. You should feel cool air soon.
I can feel it now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The front desk said you might bring 2 extra towels.
Yes, I have them here.
That is perfect. We only had 2 towels in the bathroom.
Here are 2 more.
Thank you very much.
Is there anything else in the room that needs attention?
No, everything else looks good.
Then you are all set.
All set means everything is ready, right?
Yes, exactly.
Great. Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your stay.
Have a good night.
You too.
So there was another switch?
Yes. A main power switch near the window.
That is easy to miss.
The maintenance worker said many guests miss it.
Then we are not the only ones.
That is comforting.
At least the air conditioner works now.
And we have extra towels.
The room feels much better already.
I like this hotel again.
That changed fast.
Cool air changes everything.
Fair enough.
What should we do next?
We should ask about hotel services before it gets late.
Like breakfast?
Yes. We know the time, but we should remember where it is.
2nd floor from 7 to 10.
Good. We should also ask about leaving our bags after checkout.
Because checkout is at 11, but our train is later.
Exactly.
That is called luggage storage, right?
Yes. Luggage means bags, and storage means a place to keep them.
Luggage storage is a very useful hotel service.
Also ask if there are restaurants or stores nearby.
Are you hungry again?
Not hungry, just planning.
Planning is important.
Let's go downstairs and ask the front desk.
I can ask. I am already warmed up.
That is the spirit.
Hi, I have a few questions about the hotel.
Of course. How can I help?
I know breakfast is from 7 to 10. Where is it served?
Breakfast is served on the 2nd floor.
Do we need to show anything when we go there?
Please bring your room key card.
Okay, so we just bring the key card.
That's right.
Is breakfast included with our room?
Yes, breakfast is included.
That is helpful. What kind of breakfast do you have?
We have coffee, juice, bread, eggs, fruit, and a few hot dishes.
That sounds good.
Many guests like it.
What time is checkout again?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
If our train is later, can we leave our bags here after checkout?
Yes, we can store your luggage at the front desk.
Store our luggage means keep our bags here for us?
Exactly.
Do we need to pay for luggage storage?
No, it is free for hotel guests.
That is very helpful.
We will give you a luggage tag when you leave your bags.
A luggage tag helps you find the bags later?
Yes, please keep the tag safe.
I will.
Is there anything else you would like to know?
Is there a restaurant nearby?
Yes, there are several restaurants around the corner.
Around the corner means very close, after turning the corner.
Yes, turn right outside the hotel, then turn right again.
Turn right, then right again.
You will see restaurants on that street.
Is there a convenience store nearby too?
Yes, there is one across the street.
Across the street means on the other side of the road.
That's right.
Thank you. These directions are very clear.
You're very welcome.
One more question. If we need a taxi tomorrow, can the hotel call one for us?
Yes, we can help you call a taxi.
How early should we ask?
Usually 15 to 20 minutes before you need to leave is fine.
That is good to know.
We can also help with directions if you need them.
Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome.
Breakfast is on the 2nd floor, and we need our key card.
That sounds easy.
It is included. They have coffee, juice, bread, eggs, fruit, and hot dishes.
That is better than I expected.
We can leave our bags at the front desk after checkout.
That helps a lot.
They will give us a luggage tag. We need to keep it safe.
You should put it in your wallet tomorrow.
Good idea. I lose small papers too easily.
I know.
There are restaurants around the corner,
So they are very close.
and there is a convenience store across the street.
That means on the other side of the road.
You got it.
You asked useful questions.
I even asked about a taxi.
That was smart.
They said we should ask 15 to 20 minutes before we leave.
That is good for tomorrow.
Now can we rest?
Yes. We have enough information for tonight.
Then let's go back to the room.
Let's get some sleep.
Good morning.
Good morning. I slept better than I expected,
The room was quiet.
and the air conditioner worked all night.
That was important.
Very important.
Ready for breakfast?
I have been ready since I woke up.
Bring the key card.
Right. We need it for breakfast.
Breakfast is on the second floor.
From 7 to 10, and it is included.
You really remembered everything.
Hotel English is becoming my specialty.
Let's not go too far.
Fair.
This breakfast area is nice.
There is coffee, juice, bread, eggs, fruit, and hot dishes.
Just like the front desk said.
Do we just take a plate?
Yes, I think it is self-service.
Self-service means we get the food ourselves.
Right. No one brings it to the table.
I'll get eggs and toast.
I'll get fruit and coffee.
Don't forget to leave time to pack.
I was about to say that to you.
I am learning.
After breakfast, we should check the room carefully.
Phone, wallet, passport, charger.
And don't forget the bathroom.
I always forget something in the bathroom.
Then we will check it twice.
Breakfast was good.
Yes. Simple but nice.
Now we pack.
Checkout is at 11, and it is already 9:30.
We have time, but we should not move too slowly.
That is a very responsible sentence.
Thank you. I am proud of it.
Let's check everything before we leave the room.
Phone.
I have mine.
I have mine too.
Wallet.
Here.
Passport.
In my backpack.
Charger.
Oh, it is still by the bed.
That is why we check.
Good catch. Leaving a charger behind is so easy.
Always check the outlets.
Outlets means the places where we plug in chargers, right?
Yes.
Good hotel tip.
Bathroom.
I checked. Nothing there.
Closet.
Empty.
Then we are ready.
Let's check out.
Hi, we'd like to check out.
Of course. What room number?
Room 318.
Thank you. How was your stay?
It was good, thank you. The air conditioner had a small problem, but someone fixed it quickly.
I'm sorry about that, but I'm glad it was fixed.
No problem. The maintenance worker was very helpful.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do we need to return the key cards?
Yes, please. You can leave them here.
Here they are.
Thank you. Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, we didn't use anything from the minibar.
Okay. Let me check your bill.
Sure. I want to make sure there are no extra charges.
There are no extra charges.
That is good news.
You already paid online, so there is nothing else to pay.
Could I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Can we leave our bags here for a few hours?
Yes, of course. We can store them at the front desk.
Do we need a luggage tag?
Yes. I'll give you one now.
Thank you. I'll keep it in my wallet.
When you come back, just show us the tag.
That is clear.
Do you need a taxi later?
Not right now, but we may ask later.
No problem. Just come to the front desk when you need help.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for staying with us. Have a nice day.
You too.
We checked out.
Yes. And there were no extra charges.
That is always nice.
We left our bags at the front desk.
Now we can walk around without carrying them.
I put the luggage tag in my wallet.
Very safe.
I am not taking any chances.
We learned a lot of hotel English in one stay.
We checked in.
We asked about the room.
We called the front desk.
We asked for maintenance and extra towels.
We asked about breakfast, luggage storage, nearby places, and taxis.
And we checked out.
A full hotel stay.
Exactly.
Hotel English is very useful.
Yes, especially when you travel.
If you enjoyed this conversation, you can like and follow.
We'll see you in the next real-life English video.
See you next time.
See you next time.